I spent a lot of time designing buildings in The Sims. I've been doing this for 6 or 7 years, and actually this version came out, I first got it in around 2001. I've been doing it ever since. I'm going to show you a building that I've been working on for quite some time. This is a hotel that I built. Now what I do is I use all the cheat codes to get as much money as I possibly can, and I just build and build and build and build. So let's do a shot here. Okay, the building that I used as a or that I designed is basically a contemporary style U-shaped building, 2 floors, with a lobby, office, and restaurant area in the middle. It's essentially a log style building that I put up in the middle, and you'd walk in through the front door here. Here's the main desk, stairs that go up to the 2nd floor of this building. Here's the lobby area, put a pool table in there. And behind that, in the main structure, you'll find a large swimming pool. This is a main hallway that I built right here. Here we have the 3 function rooms. There's no furniture in them because it's basically a conceptual drawing. But here are the function rooms off of this main hallway here. This is the main entrance for the function area. I need to extend this hallway out this way. I made a mistake there. I just caught that now. But anyway, and over here is a general dining area. The kitchen, full kitchen, popcorn cart. I've been using Sims 1 because I prefer the interface, and I prefer the more precise graphics in Sims 1. Sims 2 is it's designed for gameplay more than anything, and I find that Sims 1 has more of an architectural feel to it. I can't really describe it, but I prefer the interface. Anyway, here's another function room. This is a little stripper cage, I think. Going down the hallway here, we have another. Oh, this is a spa with 2 jacuzzis and 2 oxygen pumping stations, or whatever the hell those are. Another function room. And this is a pool hall. Over here we have an exercise room, and over here is a restaurant. Now when I first built this, I designed it to be like a mid to late 1960s era building, and accordingly I decorated the building accordingly, and then I slowly renovated the building. Like this log cabin in the middle, the log building, that was not original. I added that later on. Over here we have the luxury suite, complete with a jacuzzi in the bathroom. And there's the this is a rather large bathroom for what I've designed. But anyway, here's the sleeping quarters. This is a 2nd staircase. This goes down to here, where the function rooms are. Now the 3rd floor, in a building this large, I have at least 3 staircases. Now here are the rooms. They're all identical. Every room is the exact same layout, exact same trimmings and everything. So I'll zoom in here and walk you through. Here the mouse is. If you walk in here, here's like a general purpose phone stand, and here we have the bed. I'll turn around here. There we go. You can see the bureau, the bed. There's a television set. Or is there? I don't think I put a television set in these. Here are the bathrooms. I used the full-size shower stall and bathtub. Again, I tried to go with the 1960s era look when I built this. Now, over here, I added a small porch with an emergency exit off the back of the building. You walk through these doors here. This is where the restaurant area is, downstairs. See? You can walk down here, and it brings you down to these staircases. And for the staircase, I used the industrial-looking metal staircase. So, real important. This whole gray tiled area, this is outside. This is an outside eating area for the main restaurant in the hotel. The hotel has 3 restaurants. So you can see that there's a ton of tables out there. It was originally this was like a recreation area that I started out with. That's what it used to be. And then I redesigned it. The third restaurant. It was originally 2 restaurants. This actually had a building that came out to where these statues are, and that was a bank. It didn't seem to make any sense to me, so I repurposed it. I tore that building down, and then I built that. We have more rooms. I decided to go with full windows. It gives the building a more of a contemporary, modern appearance. Here is a bar that I built. This was this bar was supposed to be more of a 60s era, once again, kind of a redneck bar, but I added a karaoke machine. I should put more tables in there, more seating. And this was just for appearance, this porch here. But there you go. 7 years of doing this, and this is what I've come up with. This is not my best. I'm gonna post some more of these. I just think that I spent so much time working on them. I think I should share them with others. Well, on the back, I think I put a utility room back there. No, I didn't. Okay, there's a mistake. I have to put a roof on this. But this kind of sticks out behind the building a little bit. 2 tiles back. Here's the rear entrance to the restaurant kitchen area. And what's on this side of the building? Okay, here's the rear entrance to the other restaurant kitchen, and this one has an exhaust fan. Let's take another look at that kitchen. You can tell this was part of the original building because it had the yellow brick, which was something I used in all the utility areas of this building to give it a structural appearance. And here's the pantry. Dining area, buffet tables. Another set of staircases. Now we're on the other side of the building. This takes you once again up to where the bar is. You can see I used the same weathered log siding because some restaurants have, special fascias. Well, that's what I used here, and that matches the restaurant below it. I might take this restaurant out and put something else there. This is just a main entrance to the restaurant area. It's identical to the entrance on this side, which brings you to the function room area, and then you have the front entrance, which brings you to the reception desk. And there you have it. These are all in. This is all inside, underneath the outdoor seating area. All right. Well, let's pan out and zoom out and call it a video. There you have it. I I didn't name this, I just called it a hotel, but you can clearly see it's pretty massive. Until then.